Why not bring in angles of elevation and angles of depression? When an object is above or below another object, you can find the distances indirectly by using the angle of elevation or the angle of depression. So if you're flying in a plane and you're looking down, that would show you that angle of depression. If you're looking up at something, angle of elevation. So let's scope out our first example here. A park ranger, let's see. There we go. A park ranger whose eye level is 5 feet above the ground measures the angle of elevation to the top of an eruption of Old Faithful. Oh, snap! To be 34.6 degrees. If the ranger is standing 200 feet from the geyser's base, what is the height of the eruption to the nearest foot? All right, he's looking from 5 feet, or she, I guess, didn't say, sorry. 34.6 degrees is the angle of elevation, 200 feet away. We're looking for this side right here. Now, in relation to the angle, that is the opposite side. Now, the 200 feet is the adjacent side. So the only thing that is opposite and adjacent would be the tangent. So we would say the tangent of 34.6 degrees equals the opposite side, x, over the adjacent side, 200. Now, this one's not too bad to solve. Let's see if I can scooch down a little bit here. So we see the x divided by 200, so we can go ahead and just multiply by 200. So then we could put that in our calculator. We could say 200. Is that too far? I don't know. 200 times the tangent of 34.6 equals 137.9. Let's call it 138. Why not? So x equals 138 feet. Now, I get very excited when I get an answer. That's this distance, though, 138 feet. But it says, how tall is the geyser altogether, right? That was starting to measure 5 feet off the ground. So we would have to add the other 5 feet to get a total amount of 143 feet. Mr. Plant, you're so tricky. I swear, Mr. Plant. All right, let's try another one. Oh, a surveyor whose eye level is 6 feet above the ground. Here, let's draw the surveyor here. 6 feet. Looking at the hill of a roller coaster. Now, he is 120 feet away. We're looking for the height of this bad boy. And it says our angle of elevation up here is 60.7 degrees. Now, we don't know how tall it is, but don't forget, we're also going to be adding this 6 feet to it later. Don't forget that. So from the angle, we have the opposite side and the adjacent side. So again, it's going to be tangent. Tan of 60.7 degrees equals the opposite, x, over adjacent, 120. We'll get rid of divided by 120 by multiplying 120 on both sides. And then our calculator can do the rest. 120 times the tangent of 60.7 degrees, 213.8, we'll call it 214 feet. That's x, but again, don't forget to add our 6 feet. So we'll say 220 feet. Nice.